We use that word can when we know how to do something. So look at B, letter B. I can do something. I know how to do it. It's possible. Then we use the word can. For the past, in the past tense, we use could or couldn't. Why didn't you come to class yesterday? Oh, I couldn't. My legs were too sore. Oh, I could not come because I had to work at home. So when we say something in the past, then we use could or couldn't. I could say, I wish I could have come, but I couldn't. I wish I could have come yesterday, but I couldn't. I couldn't come. So that's for the past tense. Okay, I could not come yesterday. So we never say, I cannot come yesterday. No, that's not correct. I could not come yesterday. Right. Whenever you're speaking about the past and using the verb can, you change it to could or couldn't. Okay? When I was young, I could run very fast. When I was young, I could run very fast. Today, I can walk fast, but I can't run fast. When I was young, I could run fast. So there's the difference between can and could. That's one difference that we have. I was tired last night, but I couldn't sleep. So let me ask you. So, were you able to sleep last night? Yes, I could. Were you able to sleep last night?
No, I couldn't.
No, I couldn't. Good. Were you able to sleep last night?
Yes, I could.
Good. Were you able to sleep last night?
Yes, I could.
Good. Were you able to sleep last night?
Yes, I could.
I could. Very good.
Yes, I could.
Yes, I could.
Yes, I could.
Good. Yes, I could. I'm glad. Most of you could sleep. So now you understand English, right? Now you can understand English. Could you understand English 3 years ago?
No, I couldn't.
Okay. Could you understand English last year?
No, I couldn't.
Could you understand English yesterday?
Yes, I could.
Could you understand English when you were 10 years old?
Yes, I could.
Very good. Could you understand English 2 months ago? 2 months ago? I couldn't.
I could.
Couldn't.
I could.
Yeah. Could you understand English last year?
No, I couldn't.
Could you understand English 6 months ago?
Yes, I couldn't.
Yes, I could. Could or couldn't?
Couldn't.
No, I couldn't.
Couldn't.
Yeah. Say, no, I couldn't. Because you say, no, I could not. You don't say, yes, I could not. You say, no. No and not go together, okay? No and not. So whenever you say, no, I couldn't, those two words go together. No and not. No, I couldn't. Good. All right, we're getting the idea. So when we talk about the present, yes, I can. Can you speak English now? Say it with me. Yes, I can. Very good. But before, I couldn't. Okay. Now we have another way to use could, and that is when we want to ask something very nicely. So if I, for example, if I say to Reuben, Reuben, could you get me some tea, please?
Yes, I could.
So if we ask politely, we use could. It's very strong to say, Reuben, get me some tea,
I'm sorry.
please.
No, I can't.
Or if I say, Reuben, can you go get tea?
I have to think about it.
Okay, but if I say, Reuben, could you go get me tea, please?
Of course, I could.
Yeah, so that's the difference, right? Yeah, so right now I want you to write a sentence with the word could. And start with the word could and ask a question. Ask for something very nicely. Like I said, could you get me tea? You could say, could I have a chocolate? So now you write a sentence, okay? With the word could. Start with could, and you're asking somebody for something.